Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gauri Gulani and I'm currently working with NTT Data as an analytics consultant. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the very debatable topic, but I'm going to share my opinion. So I met a person yesterday. He tells me that he's looking for jobs. He's going to graduate this year. He's looking for jobs. He has an offer of 3 LPA, something he was saying, but he's not able to crack any of the interviews, and he is not happy with the offer which he has. He's trying, and the company told him to join in the month of June, from 1st June. So he has around 2 months of time to find out the job if he is not happy with the 3 LPA job. But he's a fresher, of course. He's going to graduate in the month of May. But I am a bit of surprised the way he answered. So he tells me that if I do not get any job in these 2 months, I am not going to join the one with 3 LPA. I'll study hard. I will crack bigger package job only. I do not want to waste my time in 3 LPA job, and I don't want to invest my 8 hours every day and get 25k in return. I do not agree with his answer. I do not agree with his mindset. In the era where AI is coming up, taking jobs, many jobs which are really manual have been taken up by AI. Of course, why will companies invest so much in the employees if AI can do that stuff, which is really, really manual? A very short example, data entry job. If some processes are really manual and can be done using automation or AI, why will company pay to employees? So I don't understand the era of 2025. I know companies should increase their starting salary, but because every second person you meet is an engineer, and we have huge scope, we have huge supply of engineers in India, and we have huge demand also because we are a great exporters of IT, specifically exporting our services to UK, US, Europe, and still people feel that they should ignore 3 LPA job because it's less in money. Why? Because I think you've been influenced from social media that 3 LPA job is maybe a taboo, or it's not based on your caliber. I'm not saying that stop finding jobs. You find jobs until you get your at least desired, how much you invested in your engineering and how much you're getting. It should be at least, you should have good return of investment. But doesn't mean that if you do not get any job, you won't take it because it's paying you low. No. My opinion is, you search job for 2 months, but if you do not get any job with higher package till May end, of course you should join from June, right? Work hard. Give complete 1 year to this company, learn, fail, learn on projects, learn hands-on experiences. These all things will count you when you go to your next job. Having something is better than nothing. Sitting idle and studying all day will just demotivate you until you get your next job. Will just give you a FOMO that I don't have a job, my friends have started working, they are earning money, they have become independent, but I am not. Why? Because of my ego that I can't accept a 3 LPA job. See, as simple as that. Companies will take advantage. Why? There's so much of supply in the market of engineers. There are even civil, electronics, mechanical, everybody is moving to ITCS. In this scenario, we do not have low supply of engineers. If you won't accept the offer, somebody else will take and go ahead from you. But this 3 LPA thinking with perspective of company is okay. Because it's not like if company has open position of 3 LPA, everybody is rejecting it because we don't accept 3 LPA. Why? We won't accept it. If this happens and nobody accepts their job, automatically the company will start keeping from 3 LPA to 5 LPA or 6 LPA. But company is not doing that, which means people are accepting the jobs. We have so much of unemployment in the market, and in this scenario, people want to show their ego or show that they are capable of more. I know. It's good if you think that you're capable of more. So prove it by finding a job. Prove it by learning 1 year. Give your full. Learn on job. Do hands-on. Experiment things, and then you try to switch. And then you do things differently. And then you will get your job which you are caliber of. But having this ego that I won't accept the job because it's a 3 LPA, it's a sick mentality. Do you think sitting idle is better than having a 3 LPA job? I don't feel that. I started my career with same package. I was so grateful. I had not even once I thought that no, I don't deserve this. Of course I knew that I deserved more, but I was just a fresher. Being a fresher with no experience because I was from COVID era, I had just a small internship experience, and a company is ready to pay me to teach me, to make me learn. So my perspective was that I am being paid to learn stuff. This was my perspective. This was how I was seeing things. So even though I was good with programming language, I was good with coding, but I was not able to crack a good offer than this. So it means it was my mistake. Maybe I was lacking some skill required to crack that kind of job, which has more package. So the only point which I'm trying to make here is, do not show your ego in the job market. It's already a little tough. People are unemployed and there's so much competition going on. So you don't have to waste your opportunity by bringing your ego in between. Work hard, accept that offer, go for 3 LPA job. Doesn't matter. Be there for 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, 1 year. Study along with your job. Work hard. Learn new skills. And think, bring this mentality that you are getting paid to learn new things. Because company is going to give you training also in some cases. So if you're being trained first and then you're getting good projects, you only think you will get good 1 year of experience. Instead you will sit idle for 6 months, 3 months. You have something to show on your resume that I have worked in this company for 3 months, 6 months. I was not idle. Because after graduation, people will ask you why you were free, what you did when you were free. It's not bad to be free. When you have offer in your hand, and the only reason you're rejecting the offer is because it's low package, then this mentality should be changed. Yeah, put your 100% efforts until you get that job which you deserve, until you have time before you join that job. So work on the skills, study hard, change your mentality of not joining because the package is very low. Start with it at least. Person who's earning right now 50 LPA, someday he also started with 5 LPA, 4 LPA, right? He's not 50 LPA from starting. I know there are a lot of trends going on. I know social media is influencing you that we got this much package, how they got, how you can get it. But everybody's journey is different. Do not compare your journey with others' journey. So I told that person same thing with whom I met yesterday. I don't know what people are thinking these days. It's their own choice. But my suggestion as an elder person in the same field is to go take their job. If it's non-IT, then you consider. But if it's IT, it's giving you an opportunity to learn on job, to add skills in your bucket, to add projects in your resume. Why not? Why to waste this opportunity? Just take it as you are newbie. It's like you're getting paid to learn. It's all about perspective. So, stop treating a 3 LP job as a failure. It's a starting point. It will open new doors for you. It will open new opportunities for you. And who says to stick all your life in this job? Learn, and when you feel you're good enough for the market now, go out. Start looking. But if you're getting an opportunity, until and unless you don't get another opportunity which is better than the current one, do not bring your ego in between and leave that opportunity. Grab it and then start finding better opportunity. That was all I had to say for this video. If you feel you have any questions about this, you can pick me, you can put in the comments and I will be happy to answer it. Thank you for watching till here. I will see you in the next one. Bye.